welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about Gmail scheduling. So how you can automate emails to be sent at some particular time. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any updates from the PC Tips Pro. So here we have 6 steps that we are going to discuss in this video. That is, firstly, the step 1 is logging into your account, like how you can create a Gmail account and all. So it is very basic. And then setting up the email and scheduling multiple emails. And also we will see how we can edit or cancel the scheduled emails, and how you can add a signature, and how you can even schedule the reminders on the Gmail. So without any delay, let's step into the video. So firstly, the step 1 is logging into your Gmail account. So to schedule an email, you should have a Gmail account, right? So you'll need to be logged into your account. So if you don't have an account, you can create one. So once we have logged in, so we can start this scheduling of emails. So if you are already logged into your Gmail account, you can use the compose button to start a new email. So I'll demonstrate it to you now. So now here I am with this Gmail account. So I have already logged in. If you haven't, you can just click on the create new account option. So here I think you could see that add another account. So in that way you can add another account also. So here, if I have already logged in, I can use this compose button which is here. So by clicking on the compose button here, I can open a box that in which I can mention to whom I want to send the message. So let's say I want to send message to some abc at the rate of gmail.com. So it is some duplicate email, so it is some email ID. So after this, like, I can mention my address. So yes, so I can mention my subject of it. Let's say it's a demo, and here I can mention anything, any mail we can say. So we are learning how to schedule an email. So yes, so here till here we have just created a mail. We given some user, like to whom we want to send the mail, and the subject and the body of the mail. So once you are going to send the mail, so now we can go into the second step, that is setting up the email. So once you have filled out all the email things like this, to whom you want to send, the subject and all, so firstly you need to click on the schedule send button in the top right corner. If you are using your mobile phone, you can find it in the top right corner. So that will open us a window where we can select the date and time. So I'll show you to right now. So here in the PC, I am having here a drop down button. So if I click on it, I have the option to schedule the send. So once I click on the schedule send, here I can find like how I can schedule this, like the date and time. So I can click on pick date and time, and I can send it on any date. Like let's say I want to send it on some September 2023 and 13th of September or 15th of September 10:37 p.m. I can even change it. So I want it to be that way only. And I can click on schedule send. So here I can send that send schedule for Friday September 15 10:37 p.m. So we can view the message, like you can find it in the scheduled section. So here you can find it. So the step 3 is scheduling multiple emails. You can schedule the multiple emails, like you can click on the scheduled emails and you can make them recurring. So if you can see over here, so this is right inbox extension, like which you can install it and you can add it to your Gmail. So this will help you to provide to create the recurring emails. It is like once you just install this, you can create the recurring emails. Like let's say you want to send an email once in every week, or like once in every month. So you can do that by using this particular feature that you can find it, like this software. You can use it and you can add it to the Gmail so that you can create the recurring emails. So our step 4 goes to be editing and cancelling the scheduled emails. So if you need to edit or cancel a scheduled email, you can just go to the schedule tab. So I'll just show you this out now. So here I am with this my schedule tab. So inside the schedule tab I'm having one mail which is scheduled, and here I can see the details. It is scheduled for September 15th and 10:37 p.m. So here if I want to cancel it, so I can just click on the cancel send. So this would say that scheduled send cancel and the message reverted to the draft. So in this way you can cancel the send, and here you can edit this like whatever you wanted to edit this, and you can just schedule it again. So in this way this works. And the step number 5 is adding a signature. So if you want to add the signature to your emails, you can just do that by going to your settings tab, which you can find in the top right corner. So let me just show you that also. So here once I go to the settings tab and I click on all view all settings, so let me do that first. If I just go to my inbox and just click on the settings and see all settings, so once I load it out and then once I scroll down, so here I have the signature. So here I can click on create new signature, and I can add the signature name, like what signature name should I want to send it through the mail. So in this way you can create your signature. So our step 6 will be the scheduling of reminder. So in this case, if I just go to the settings and click on see all settings, so what I want to do here is let me just okay. So here I have the nudges. So what does this do? Like this will be suggesting you the emails to reply, like the emails you might have forgotten to respond. So that will be appearing on top of your inbox, and the emails that you need to be following you should follow up will appear on top of your inbox. So once you just check in these two options, so this will be reminding you the emails to reply to and the emails to follow up on. So this is how you can just check these boxes, and in this way you can set your reminders to reply to those emails and follow up to the emails. So this is all for this today's videos, guys. So if you guys have found this video useful to you, please do like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro, and don't forget to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks. So thank you for watching.